的，这个是火烤的，不同的做法。啊，这个是油啊，哗哗哗油炸出来的。
Welcome back to my channel. Today I have just arrived to Dali. Look at my room. I got a pretty good deal for 15 bucks, and I've got a private room together with the all the shower, toilet. Yeah, I'm ready to explore Dali because I only have a night, and tomorrow I'm going to Lijiang. Let's try to check this place out. So if there's one thing that you won't experience in China, it's to be hungry, because in China you can find every single corner to be selling food. Dali as a city is an autonomous prefecture because of the nationalities by minority that actually reside in this area. So I am currently at a place where they're selling authentic Thai snacks, and one of it is the shaomai, and I thought it's like beef or something inside, and turns out it's like something with the rice, if you can see that. Let me try. Filled with rice. A little bit savory, but not so filled with flavor, if I may say. If there is one thing that I really miss the most since I live in China, is that clear blue sky. From clothing, shoes, silver, tea, coffee, everything. You can find it here. Even you can rent a bike here if you feel like riding a bike. Also, sex toys, condom machine.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting this. We'll take a long walk till we start to freeze. Here in small talk over the summer breeze. Out of sight. ocean waves. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you.
这个是什么奶酪？奶酪是不是？
奶酪，
云南的奶酪是不是？
大理的，
哦，大理的，
大理白
so
族
this
的
is
奶酪。
cheese specialty from Bai minority that lives in Dali.
大理 cheese，
Dali cheese
啊，
是不是？
里面加了我们大理的新鲜的玫瑰花做的那个糖，叫玫瑰糖。
哎，我听不懂。然后这个什么呀？
这个是油炸的，这个是火烤的。不
It's sweet and caramelized a little bit. 好吃。
你从那边
看那边，
那边就看见我们两个了，
是不是
都是拍视频。
这个是视频。
这是视频。
你说你好，你好，你好，
你好，你好。
啊，你们过来，是不是 ？Come to
啊，
Dali。
对。Welcome to Dali。
哇，厉害厉害！I am trying to go to the Erhai Lake, which is one of the tourist attractions right here in Dali, and I'm trying to go there by bus.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passionate life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over this surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much further. You're the horizon.
You see that? Yay, we made it.
You're the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I'm withering under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over this surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. You're the horizon.
I just bought a local dress that belongs to Bai minority. 这个衣服是白族的衣服是不是啊？是不是老板？你说你好。So I'm currently walking to a couch surfer house. So when you are traveling by yourself and try to navigate yourself, you realize about direction. And you can probably recognize some of places that you saw. I made it. You want to say hi? Hello.
Hello.
So what are we trying to do? We're trying to see the moon.
Yeah, we'll try to see.
The moon because the sky is very clear.
Oh, okay.
This is so nice, the rooftop. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for today. I would like to say thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. There will be lots of traveling videos coming soon. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next time. dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. Woo!
Hi, how long have you been on couchsurfing?
Maybe half a year.
Half year. So you like to host travelers, yeah? Yeah. What do you want to say to other Chinese people who don't travel or who feel like hosting is not fun because you allow strangers to come to your place?
You know, something you don't know is good or not good.
Right.
But you must to try.
Right.
Yeah,
that's
try by
true.
yourself and
True.
decide to yourself is good or not good. Yeah.
Bye bye，再见。拜拜。
拜拜，再见了啊！
Even though we just met, let's forget about a curfew.